In your own video, make sure that you show your code, you explain why you did things the way you did, how you did them, and show your hardware. Unit testing was done on the method that's responsible for value conversion. Original sensor values from 0 to 4095 were converted to 0 to 100% moisture. Values that were too positive as inputs or too negative as inputs were tested. Min and max boundaries were also tested, and 100 different values that were randomized in between max and min were also tested. For this project, we have to graph results, so I used JFreeChart and its API to create graphs, therefore fulfilling CLO 2. Alternatively, I could have used Princeton Standard Library Standard Draw. For learning outcome number 3, which deals with data structures in collections, we're using HashMap, which allows us to have time values and sensor values stored as long and integer types. For learning outcome number 4, we have a state machine that runs the plant watering, and one of the events that's looked for using listeners is the button presses in order to exit the program. For learning outcome number 5, I went from having most of my code in one file to multiple classes in multiple files. I used polymorphism, as you can see in the overriding of run, and I used data hiding, as you can see in the use of private variables.